Hi everyone, I'm back with my new tips and tricks for the Unity. So today's topic is how you can import HDRP asset with texture in Unity, texture and material in Unity. Okay, so you have to create a new project. So go to the project Unity Hub and you have to create a project. You have to give a project name. Okay, change this one to HDRP. Okay, and my location is desktop, so you can use your own location. So just hit create, wait for the scene to be scene creation. Wait. So in HDRP, it's slightly different from the standard 3D template. So it comes with a default asset actually. Okay, so we are almost ready. Okay, so this is the HDRP template with the default asset actually. So this is the default asset. So what you have to do, you have to go for scene and create the new scene. So the new scene is HDRP asset import. Okay, right. So now you have to delete this one and you have to delete the sample scene. Delete this one, and now you have to click on that. Don't click on save button. So if you click on save button by mistakenly, so it will save this existing one. So that's what we don't want. We want a clean fresh scene. So always click on don't save. Always click on don't save. So you see you see what happened when I click on don't save. Click on don't save. You see this is a fresh scene with all the default asset is gone. So now your HDRP scene is almost ready. You can delete some of the assets like existing art section. You can delete animation. You can delete this part. If you need, you can keep, or if you don't need, then you can delete it. So this is the easiest way to set up the HDRP scene. So your scene is fully ready to create your own assets of scene. Okay, now we have to import our asset in the HDRP template. So you just need to minimize this one. So you see, this is the asset I'm going to import. So you see, there is an FBX file, there is a base map, there is a mask map, and there is a normal map. So normal map, base map is the main texture. But what is the mask map? This is the tricky part. The mask map. If I go there, you can see a greenish map is there. So it is not a single map actually. Like this one is the single map, the normal map and the base map. But this one, the middle one, is not a single map. It's a combination of different maps. So what is mask map? If you see here from the Unity help section, mask map is the combination of metallic map, ambient occlusion map, and smoothness, not a detailed mask. This one, these three maps is a combination. Mask map must combine these three. I mean the metallic map, ambient occlusion, and the smoothness. So there is a picture you can see, metallic map, ambient occlusion, and also the smoothness. So these three maps are combining and making this map. So this is called the mask map. So what you need is a mask map. Without the mask map, HDRP assets don't work properly. Keep in mind, without the mask map is essential. Mask map is essential for HDRP workflow. Okay, so we are going to minimize this one. I'm going to minimize this one. So, before that, I have to create an asset import, maybe a temp folder, asset import. Okay, you just click on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, drag and drop there. Done. Okay, so this is your FBX file. This is your base map. This is your mask map. This is your normal map. So what you have to do is click on all of the maps and see here the maximum size is 2K. So we don't want this is 2K. Our texture size was 4K. So you have to click on this and you resize it 4096. So this is 4K. Apply on that. Okay, now all the texture is 4K. Okay, and click on the normal map, and then texture type set on normal map. So apply. So now is your texture is ready to apply on a material. Okay, so now your texture is ready, full ready. So you just create a material, give it a name, bench or CT bench, whatever, CT bench. Okay, so here you can see this is a HDRP lid. You can see here the base map, mask map. You can see this section is mask map, the base map, mask map, and the normal map. These three maps are important, very much important. And then you have you can have an emissive channel. You just click on that, and you can put your emissive map here if you have any emissive map. But these three, base map, mask map, and normal map. So what we have right now, so I can drag and drop the base map. You can see the changing in the material section and the mask map. See what happened in the mask map when I just drop it. You see mask map. Now the normal map. So this is the normal map. You see the change in the material. You can see here a little bit of shyness and everything is ready. So by the combination of these three map, you can see your material is ready. Okay, now you just drag and drop your FBX file is there, and double click to zoom in. Okay, you can see there is no light. It's a bit odd, so it's a small trick. You just click on the directional light to come back the light properly. So click on the directional after importing after importing assets into the scene. You just click on directional light. Okay, so what you need to do is just one final thing is to apply the material. Just drag and drop. You see, so this is the fully HDR ready asset. So you can see everything is done. So this is the proper way. Keep in mind the HDR texture is a combination of base map, mask map, and normal map, and emissive map sometimes if required. So hopefully you enjoy this tips and tricks session. I will come back again and keep supporting me, and have a nice day everyone. Hopefully you enjoy and learn something. So this was not for the advanced people. This one is for the medium and the basic users of Unity or beginners of Unity. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I'll try to answer, and keep supporting me. So thank you. I will see you again. Thank you.